Good evening, everyone. I'm Nidhi Kothari, and I have Kunal Lodha with me. We welcome you on behalf of K-Atom. Today, I know you have been pretty excited about this. Myself also, today we are presenting a very revolutionary product in front of you. It's K-Atom. Keep a tab on me. We all work on principles of rockets. We all aim high in life. We want to achieve big positions, lead organizations, and have a balanced personal and professional lives. However, we start working when we are accountable, we have responsibilities, and we have deadlines to meet. So the tail has to be on fire. How do we motivate and incentivize people to achieve their goals? We have big goals, but only few achievers. Why? The question is because of behavior, context, or maybe many other factors. So the question is our goal, how well managed the goal is, and how well managed the achiever and motivated the person to achieve it. I have a small video to show you and make my problem understand it more properly. The video is not working currently on this, so maybe you can have a look there on the video.
Take an extra minute to clean the whole desk because a clean desk would help me get my stuff done. When I was finished, I realized I hadn't eaten anything and I didn't want to be hungry while I got my stuff done, so I went into the kitchen and
You can relate to this, or maybe someone you know. I do relate to this one. Why? Because I have many things to do, and from starting of the day, I plan my day and I have so many things, but yes, I do procrastinate. Then our K-Atom team went for research and we found that, yes, this is surprising numbers. 26% of US public think themselves as chronic procrastinators. The study, based on 10 years of research, shows that in this, from 1978 till 2002, this number is increasing and the people are becoming more poorer, fatter, and unhappier. 78 million people. This is a huge number. And this procrastination was found very similar across 6 countries. The cross-culture similarities were there. The K-Atom research team shows that this graph is not coming here properly. It shows that 97% of the people are procrastinators, out of which more than 40% people often do procrastinate. The next graph will give you the numbers and the effect is procrastination having in your life. 70% of the people say it's hurting their productivity. So can you imagine, 70% of people say it's hurting the productivity, and out of which 4% they say it's messing up their life. Procrastination is messing their lives. So the vision in front of K-Atom team is to get the things done. The vision of collaborative, accountable society to make people more motivated and productive to get the things done. As we have the trends today, it would not be surprising if I say that tomorrow's consumers are today's digital natives. We all are surrounded by so many mobile applications, internet 24/7. Everyone is there around internet. And we have so many distractions in life, a very busy lifestyle. Keeping all these trends in mind, we came up with an online social platform which will combine psychological and behavioral elements with cutting-edge networking tools to help users achieve their goals and tasks. So I'm very much clear with the system we are presenting in front of you. It's K-Atom, a very simple and motivating system. This includes a 3P formula. This formula this is a simple and motivating system. However, it has a sophisticated convergence of technology and behavior science. The 3P, I'll start with an example. Suppose I want to reduce 20 kgs of weight. Although I don't want to right now, I'll disappear, but then suppose I have a target of reducing 20 kgs of weight. I'll go there, plan my task, reduce 20 kgs. This is the first P, organize your task and goals. Now I need some motivation from my peers and my friends and family to help me reduce the weight. So the second P is to push. Become accountable. I'll get the reminders from my friends, my family, my colleagues. Hey Nidhi, you have to reduce your weight. You have to be at gym at 6 p.m. So maybe I'm under an important meeting, maybe I'm attending something else, but then the frequent reminders the entire day will keep me motivated. I have to be there at 6 p.m. The next is productivity. Definitely if I'm there at the gym at 6 p.m., it will definitely increase my productivity. I'm more accountable. I'll be more powerful as I'm achieving my tasks and goals. I'll take you through the entire portal, a very quick overview of the entire portal. It's launched in the beta phase, but then we have the screenshots. We can take you through if time permits the live portal also. Kunal will continue with this.
Be social, be productive. Every person gets up in the morning, he creates a task. Now when he creates a task, actually he is, after creating the task, the entire day he does nothing or he does some of the task. The only reason is he's actually not making an agreement with the task. This is a user interface that is for the K-Atom. You can see it's a very simple interface. Once you log into the system, you see two things. One is create task and the data. Once the peer logs in, he can see his peers, his teammates, he can post in, he can publish things, he can broadcast messages, and on the right hand side you can see my task and peer task, where a person can have a quick view on his own task as well as on his peer's task and the approaching deadline, so that he can take an action correctively and very fast. Timeline. Things without a timeline can never work, and it has no end on it. Timeline is a functionality in which a user projects himself that what goal he wants to finish in what time. While doing this development, in the development process, we found that it is like folks or people, users, peers, they really work collaboratively and competitively with very healthy, they become very healthy with the group functionality. So what you do is you can assign your task into different peers from a private level. You can assign your task to a private group, or you can make it up to a level wherein you can share it within the group so that you get more effective push or motivation, or else you can make it post it as a public task. Categories. I'm very busy with my life. So what happens is I have personal tasks, I have my own office task, I have different jobs and responsibilities throughout the day. So just selecting a category will help you to just simplify your task level. Nudges and reminders. I can immediately post, hey Lisa, how are you doing with your dentist appointment, on the comment section. I can remind Lisa for a reminder, or I can tab her to remind her of her a dentist appointment, or maybe I can cheer her for accomplishing her task. One of the amazing feature here is the goal progress, wherein you can see that a person at the end of the day, he can come in and he can see what he does well, what he didn't do well, or maybe what he is going to do tomorrow to make sure it gets improved more. It's a very simple interface wherein you have a start and a finish line. A person can come in, he can self-report the data and get a self-assessment, or maybe he can send it to a verifier and get it assessed. Finally, K-Atom provides you the interface wherein you can close the task. Let's talk something about the market impact. We studied a bit of our important competitors like Productive, Manymoon, Office, Google Task, Microsoft Office, and we went into the parameters of them, what they provide. Either it's a project schedule or task schedule, reminders, task management, and all things. What K-Atom makes a difference here is the fun end game mechanics as well as the incentives or reward structure. Let's talk about some of the applications. They say they are advanced sites like a social or networking protocol. What we do here is a business one-to-one graph. Now, they say they give you a platform, you connect with each other, you become, you can have fun, you can have an environment where you can do entertainment. And they say you sit there for hours and you become social. I say there's a problem because this is not going to help the society to become more productive, and that's why this is a one-on-one business graph where you can see the x-axis is the web apps or tools and the y-axis is the business transactions. You can see Facebook, Google+, these social and fun mechanism sites, fun sites are right there, but they don't help you to increase the productivity. Whereas you have the productivity tools, but they don't help you to increase your motivation or inspiration level. K-Atom does that. So we came up with an amazing super cool product, which is a socio-productive tool. Now today, K-Atom is going to change the human behavior. It's reinventing the human behavior. Let's talk about some revenue generation benchmark in a very short manner. We have two solutions. One is social network solution as well as the white label solution. We are projecting it for 2 years. We are looking forward to get a projection of about 300,000 to 350,000 with an ARPU of $2, which is quite conservative. You can see an incremental growth of 1% to 5% every month. Whereas with the white label solutions, we are expecting within 2 years to deploy about 60 corporate solutions with an average revenue of $600 per month. $200 per month, sorry for that. Somebody asked me the other day, what social impact you are bringing to the society? We are helping people to become more productive and more powerful and more healthier. Let's connect some dots. In education system, you can bridge the gap between the parents, teachers, and students, wherein teacher can have an online web access, they can upload reports, wherein with the small and medium businesses like corporates. In corporates, it can work as an internal private social network, wherein based on the hierarchical structure of the company, you can map out the social structure of the company. Managers who want to know about the team, or the team who wants to know about the manager, they can exchange the information and they can do well. And let's say somebody inside the office cannot use that information, but somebody in Japan who does the same job can use it. Healthcare industry, nutritionists can come and post the data. This tool can work amazing with the psychiatrist. Just imagine a psychiatrist coming in and posting a task, and he is asking somebody to motivate. And even it can work keep a line of communication between patients.